Sawadee YouTube, how's it going guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we are here to take a walking tour at Wat Phra Ram in Ayutthaya, and this place is really fascinating since it has been so old and of course ruined, so there's zero maintenance after so many years. And finally now people they just put a fence on it and make it a tourist attraction. Okay, so we are here at Wat Phra Ram, which means Phra Ram temple. Okay, and I believe that's the main building of this Phra Ram temple. Okay. There's a hallway here. Might as well take a walk at the hallway to see what's going on here. And there's a side entrance. Unlike the Wat Maha, this one is really quiet. Don't see anybody here yet. Just now saw two tourists visited here, and by the moment when I got in, they are already gone. Okay. Samo Thailand hot humid afternoon. We are here at Ayutthaya, 3:45 in the afternoon. Sunny, humid, hot, around like 34 degrees Celsius plus the humidity. Feels like 43, 44, 10 degrees hotter. Really challenging weather, but yeah, it's worth it. Just imagine these buildings, they have been sitting here for so many years, not saying well preserved. Still, we can tell the history of this area. Definitely is worthwhile to come here and taking the tour. Hey. One more Buddha chest. Can you imagine that? This whole building, whole city, is not talking about one single building. It's not talking about one single ward/temple. I'm talking about the whole city. It was damaged. It was damaged by the invaders in the 1600s, and nothing other than these bricks is preserved. Nothing else. Wow. Look at how old this place is. Okay. that's the pathway to go to the exterior of this temple. Also look at those trees. Every one of them, they are just really old. And here's another base of the Buddha statue. There's a small pond here. The white bird. She got scared and flew away. Yep, nobody here. I assume like they don't even bother to check the ticket pass. Yeah, since nobody here. Yeah, they put on some construction support to support that ancient wall, that building. Okay. These remains, they look most likely the same. Hey, see what I found? I found some wood up there. Good to know that they did use some wood material instead of full bricks. But the thing is, yeah, bricks can last for can last for hundreds, if not thousands years. Don't think wood can last for that long. Ancient wood trunk. Okay. Ah, finally I see somebody. Not the biggest site, still full of history and stories. What a pity when this human civilization didn't got preserved. Luckily you got some remains sitting here. Sermon Hall, Phra. Okay. Seems like I purchased the ticket to this hall, but nobody is even checking the tickets here. Okay, here is the miniature showcase of what this city might look like before. Very cool. Alright, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, please consider like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of the video updates, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.